This brief video presentation will focus on long-term care planning options for individuals between 70 and 79. My name is Jesse Sloan, and since 1998, I've been Executive Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Our organizations do not sell insurance, so after watching this video, if you have questions, please speak to the insurance professional that sent you the link. If you're not working with one and you'd like to be connected with a knowledgeable specialist, please call our organization. Obviously, we'll be only too glad to help you. So here's the harsh reality. After age 70, insurers tend not to accept applications from individuals because after 70, people have serious health problems. In fact, they all stop, or all the major ones stop accepting applications after age 75. And here's why. You can see that almost 1 out of 2 individuals who took the time to complete a lengthy application are declined. But there is an option well worth considering. It's typically called short-term care insurance protection, sometimes recovery care insurance. I tend to like to call it long-term care light, and you'll see why as I explain. These policies provide up to 1 year of benefits, generally 360 days of maximum benefits. Now, you may look and say, well, is that really enough? Here's a fact. 49% of all traditional long-term care insurance claims last 1 year or less. So yes, for many people, a year of benefits is going to be sufficient, and it's certainly better than no protection at all. Some of the key features of these policies is that they require what is referred to as simplified health underwriting, and I'll actually show you the 11 questions that come directly from the app. They charge the same price to single women as they do to single men. Traditional long-term care insurance charges anywhere from 20 to 40% more to a single woman. And as we explained, these policies can be issued up to age 79, and one of the key benefits, especially for those who are older, is these policies offer a 0-day deductible. Traditional long-term care insurance typically is sold with a 90-day deductible, which means 90 days before you're ever able to qualify and get benefits. These policies can be triggered pretty much at the get-go. So the particular policy that we're referring to comes from an A-rated insurance company, Medico. Again, we don't favor one over the other, but this is definitely an option I think many seniors should consider. This particular policy pays for, that's why I call it long-term care light, covers nursing home, assisted living, home health care, adult daycare, just like a traditional LTC policy. The eligibility for benefits is very similar to long-term care insurance. The key differences are, first, you're going to have a shorter deductible, either a 0-day, a 15-day, or a 30-day. You get to pick. And a lifetime maximum benefit, again, you get to pick. It could be 120, 240, or up to 360 days. The more insurance coverage you buy, the shorter the deductible, the more you'll pay. But the flexibility is yours. These are the questions directly taken from the Medico application. You only have to answer no to questions 1 through 11, and then you are 90 to 95% assured of being approved for this policy. Don't pause yet. At the end of the presentation, we're going to show this slide again. You can pause then and read the questions to see if it's of interest to you. Now, here are the actual rates for this policy, but again, it's important for you to talk to a licensed insurance professional licensed in your particular state, because rates can vary from state to state. But to give you a flavor, if you were to buy a $100 daily benefit for 360 days, or a $36,000 maximum benefit, depending on your age, if you pick the 30-day deductible, at age 70, you're going to spend about $1,066. At age 79, $2,500. If you pick a 0-day deductible so that the benefits are going to trigger right at the get-go, you'll obviously pay a little bit more. But again, the choice is yours and the flexibility is there. This particular policy is approved for sale in most, but not all states. This is a listing of where the policy is available. So this has been a brief overview of an option that's well worth considering if you're between 70 and 79. Your next step is to actually request the brochure and request costs. You can do that from the insurance agent who shared this video with you, or if you're not working with a short-term care insurance professional and you'd like to be connected with one, please call the center and we'll only be too glad to help you. The phone number is 818-597-3205. And again, take a minute, hit pause, read the questions. As long as you can answer no to questions 1 through 11, you are very, very likely to be approved for this coverage. Thanks for taking the time to watch.